Red Sea strikes again. So this is a 525 XL. There we go. And it starts to build the silicone. So yeah, it's level and all that BS that yeah blah blah blah. So there it is, starting from here. As you can see, so I put 2 marks here about a month ago, and it's just spreading over the marks now. I thought it's just nothing, maybe, but yeah, looks like this needs to go in the bin, and I need to put another tank in. Yeah, so this is it, another 525. I think this is about 4 or 5 years old. I can't remember now. It's irrelevant. I mean this thing is 15 years old. I have here 16 years old tanks. They have no fucking problems with their seals and whatnot. Absolutely no problem. It's a Red Sea again that has a problem with the seals after just a little bit. So yeah, I've already bought a tank and I'm going to replace it. Never have I thought about this being a problem. Unfortunately, I did not know about the Red Sea problem before I bought this tank. So, well, never again a Red Sea again then. So yeah, all good, all good. Well, not good, but thankfully I don't have a lot of corals in there and just live rock and sand. But just these guys are gonna be stressed probably. Just gonna have to put them in a different tank, and I don't know if you ever think about buying a Red Sea fish tank. Just I don't know, that's your choice, it's totally your choice. Cheers.